How will you service this generator? You can see this is a gasoline generator. I'll make it very brief. Just come here. This is the drain plug. You can see the drain plug here. This is what you're going to lose. This is the drain plug. You lose this plug, you lose this bolt, you need a spanner to lose it. When you lose it, then you open this very place. You open where you put the oil so that it can come out quick. But don't forget that before you do that, you have to run the engine. Let the engine run for like few minutes, for like 2-3 minutes, so that the oil can come out very quick. When you do that, allow the oil to drain finish. When the oil drain finish, what will you do? Don't forget to lock it back. Then you put another oil. Then you call me. You call me. This is your air cleaner. This air cleaner, you remove the air cleaner like this. You can see the box. You can see this is air cleaner. This is it. You can see this foam. You need to wash this foam. You need to wash the foam. When you wash this foam, you ensure that you can use detergent with water to wash the foam. That is all you need. Then when you ensure that this foam dry, you sun it and dry before you install it back into your engine. Then you cover it back and fix it back. Then the next thing you have to do is that, but this one is optional. If you notice that the thing is bad, if you want to drain the fuel in the carburetor, this is what you have to do. You have to come here. See this is your carburetor, this bolt, you lose it. But before you do that, you lock the fuel so that new fuel will not be coming in. You come here, you lose this bolt. When the fuel in the carburetor drain finish, you lock it back. Then you open the fuel, then you run your engine. That is a very simple way to service your generator as a DIY person. So that will save you some money. See you in my next video.